Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best platform to sell online courses in US by comparing Kajabi and Teachable. If you're looking for the best platform to sell online courses in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. The Kajabi course structure consists of modules and lessons. Plus, you can go one level deeper by creating a nested submodule. But there are a couple key differences between Kajabi and Teachable as you start building your course content. First, on Teachable, you can add multiple content types, such as video, audio, images, documents, text, and quizzes to each lecture. In Kajabi, you can only add one video or audio recording to each lesson. If you want to add a quiz, you have to create a separate lesson. Second, on Teachable, you can upload content in bulk. So, for example, if you've recorded several audio and video lessons, you can upload them in one go to save time. Kajabi also allows you to customize your selected template. With Kajabi, you can customize the template, logo, background, fonts, and colors at the course level. With Teachable, everything changes at the school, i.e. account level. That makes things a lot less flexible in Teachable. You'll also get up to 10 sales pages, a checkout page, and a thank you page for each product course. If you opt for the enterprise plan, you can access the Power Editor to customize your pages with HTML/CSS. Otherwise, you're limited to a basic block builder. Website pages include system-generated pages based on the template you select, like About, Contact, and Blog, with the option to add more. Landing pages include a lead generation page wizard, a blank template, and a choice of templates for podcast, link in bio, thank you, opt-in, coming soon, policies, and sales pages. Funnel pages build an automated sequence to capture information and provide the user with content afterward. You can build your own or use a template like the sales page funnel to nurture leads to a sales and checkout page with an 8-email sequence. On top of that, Kajabi's platform allows you to send email marketing campaigns and host digital or in-person events, such as webinars. It's all glued together with its when-then automations. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.